In my previous video, I have shown how to install Zotero, and in this video, I will show you how to install Zotero connector for Chrome, and then I will also show how to install Zotero plugins. Specifically, three plugins. Number one is Better BibTeX, number two MD Notes, and number three Zotfile. So let's get started. Go to Chrome and go to the Zotero website, zotero.org. Click on the download link here. So on the left hand side, this is the Zotero main application which we have already installed, and on the right hand side you will see there is Zotero connector for Chrome. Actually, when you install Zotero, it automatically installs the browser plugin for you, but if for any reason your browser plugin is not installed, you can install it from this link. Just click on this link and it will take you to the Chrome web store. Here you click on this add to Chrome link. It will ask your permission. Click on add extension. And the Zotero extension will be installed in Chrome. If you want, you can go and click on this and you can pin this so it comes here. I will show you what is the use of this plugin in Chrome for Zotero. But before that, I want to install the three Zotero plugins. So we will again go to this page, download, and if we scroll down, we will find plugins. Click on browse plugins. Here there are a lot of plugins for Zotero, but we are interested in only three specific plugins. So first one is Better BibTeX. So this is Better BibTeX. Click on it. Here on the left hand side there is download link. Click on the download link. It will take you to the GitHub page. The latest version is 5.4.25. You need to download this XPI file. Just click on it and it will get downloaded. And meanwhile, we'll again go to Zotero. Click on download. Go down, browse plugins. We'll search for MD Notes. Click on it. Here on the right hand side you can see releases. Click on releases. This is the latest version 0.2.0 alpha 4, and we are interested again in this XPI file. So for the third time, for the third plugin, we have to again go to Zotero, browse plugins, search for Zotfile, click on Zotfile, and here is the download link. So we have downloaded the three plugin files. Now what we have to do is we have to go to Zotero. This is the Zotero main window, and we have to click on tools and add-ons. After that, we need to click on this gear symbol and click this option, install add-on from file. And I will select the three plugin files. Click on install, install three times, and then it will ask to restart Zotero. Just click on restart now. Again it is asking for restarting, so click on restart. Now it is ready. So in the next video, I will show you how to customize the options for these plugins and also how to use the Chrome connector for Zotero. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.